Hi everyone. Today we present you with our weekly technical insights on Civil 3D. If you haven't watched the previous week technical insight video, I'll suggest you watch it first before continuing to it. Apricot Technology is a Win Zero company and partner of choice for ASC industry. It's one of the biggest platinum partner for Autodesk and Bentley along with authorized training centers. So we have a 300 plus dedicated team member with clientele over 20,000 in ASC and associate industries. So let me introduce myself. My name is Shubham Wani, the solution specialist Civil 3D at Capricorn Technologies, New Delhi. We'll present you our weekly technical insights. So in insights, the objective of insight to showcase the method of which can be enhance our productivity and swift completion of tasks, removing repetitive tasks, right? So the tips provided involves the automation routine tasks, discovering a new application of standards, then functions, exploring the lesson no features, and even using some unlisted command. Right. So in this technical insight, so we shall be showcasing the following. So how to show station tracker in profile view, then how to reverse our proposed alignment, right, in the reverse direction. So I'll be shifting. The Civil 3D screen. So I have one surface over here. I'll just draw one alignment. The starting chain is from 0, 0 over here. The direction will be this side, south to east, right? So I'll just creating over here surface profile by using profile under create surface profile. I'll just add a surface profile over here. Just draw in profile view. Select next, 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 and I'll just create a profile view over here and see. So I'll just draw a profile creation as a proposed alignment for the center line, right? It defines some over here. So just okay. I'll click on OK and just draw a tangent and curves over here for our proposed alignment. You can see just adding some annotation over here, right? So let's split the view under the view option. Viewport configuration, I'll just select to horizontal. Can see over here, I'll just alignment, right? So when we are using those in horizontal, so we can track our profile as well as in viewport too. You can see over here, and then I'll just shift it into that profile view. You can see the profile alignment tracker will be on. So I'll just show you from where we can show that alignment. So going under the simply select your alignment, center line alignment over here. Then under the station tracker, we have an option of tracking those alignment as well as horizontal and vertical. So going under the all, I can set over here as a station tracker all viewport. Then you can see over here when we are in profile view. So in horizontal alignment, we can we track the change wise or alignment, and when we are in horizontal view, so we can track as in vertical as well. So yeah, right. So moving forward to next tips and tricks over here, I'll just set viewport as a single. Then we can see over here the alignment direction is 0, 0 from here, that change, and going towards 1 plus 6, 65, 55 over here. I'll just reverse those direction, right? Just select your alignment going under the modification tab. We have an option of reverse direction. Just click over here, reverse direction. Some warning sign will be showing here. The reversing the alignment will be remove the all station equation, design speed, and etc. So I'll just click over here, okay, and you can see the all the direction will be reverse alignment direction, right? So 00 changes will be starting over here, and you can see as well as in profile view, right? So profile also be reverse, right? So that's it. Uh, I hope you guys had insightful session. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel for all updates. We will be delighted to hear from you. To reach out us for any suggestions, query, or topic we want to be discussed. See you next week. Thanks and take care.